Alright, so I got my trusty helper out here helping me out today. Got the bed cleaned out a bit, removed all the mounts and tie downs, popped out the lights there. Didn't remove them completely yet. Wait to see what I need to do for those. So I don't want to disconnect them completely and have the cables fall down and not be able to grab them later. So I'm just going to leave them where they are for now. That bed rug kit came with one big piece here for the sides and the front, and then one piece for the bottom of the bed, which is very cushioned, so that would be nice if you're crawling around in your bed. It does have grooves in it, so it end up actually should feel kind of flat when you're in there once it's installed, since it goes down into the different grooves of the bed. And then a bunch of Velcro, or I guess it's not Velcro, but you know, the more snapping kind of Velcro that works really good. So first steps is there's a zipper along the bottom of this and along the sides of that. So that just needs to be zipped together. It says to do it upside down like it is right now. And then position it in the bed and see how things fit, and then go from there. I have to say I'm impressed with this zipper. Didn't sound like it would be very secure to me, but this is a very heavy duty zipper. I mean, even goes around the corners. These front corners are a little difficult to get zipped around, but other than that, everything else zipped up pretty quick, pretty easily. See, it's already got some spots where the Velcro should go. So I'm assuming should put the supplied Velcro on that side, then get everything positioned, then pull the backing off of it and stick it down. But I will consult with the instructions before I do that, just to be sure. But I'm pretty sure that's what the next steps are going to be. Now there's a couple of areas that get the long strip of the Velcro, and then everywhere else gets these small 2-inch strips. But they have, I don't know if it shows up, actually has little markings where to put them all, so you don't have to guess where they should go. I just, you know, rip a piece off, and wherever there's one of these little lines, put a piece. And once we get them all in position, we'll throw this in the bed. Alright, well, sits in there pretty good. Still have to tuck everything away, cut the hole. It does have markings on the back for where things need to be cut, and that's where the mounts can go. And cut these holes out. Just cut little holes where the mounting hardware needs to go and can just install that over top the carpet. But before I do work on the sides, just want to get the bottom completely smoothed out, pull it back, wipe it down with some alcohol where the adhesive should be sticking to the bed. Set that back down and then kind of work my way from the top and work my way back. And so I got the bottom in and the front there, working down the side. I found the easiest way for me to get the hardware through is just to actually put the screws in the hole. I don't know if you can see in there, but just go ahead and put the screws in the hole and get everything installed, and then I can just cut a slit there to poke the hardware through, and then I'll be able to screw everything in. So I got everything in place there. Just got to take the tape off here and there, screw that or secure that there, and then I can poke those through and continue working down the side. Do the same thing here, and then for the light I'll cut out the hole that they gave me there. Just working my way through it. It's fairly easy. I do have to say it's very comfortable. I mean, I don't think I've ever been this comfortable just sitting and working in the bed of a truck before. So that part of it is extremely nice. You know, it looks good. Definitely, you know, pretty thick padding, so I imagine it will protect the bed very well. I just don't know how well it holds up to some abuse, so we'll find that out, I'm sure. But for right now, I'm just going to continue on going through and securing everything. This snaps in. Like I thought, I did have to take this one clamp off back here. I guess I can get this all tucked underneath, and that's going to get mounted there. Get that in, get this clamp back done, and this side over here will be done. There's one more mount down here too, or tie down back there. I got the light. I need to mess with that a bit, but got the light through, got all the tie downs through, get everything tucked underneath the rail, so the tonneau cover looks like it didn't need to come out. The only thing I did, I had to take one of the clamps off just for this back corner, but other than that, everything's gone in fairly smoothly. Wrap this side up, get the other side done, and we should be finished now. And then the tailgate, so we'll see how that works. Alright, so there we go, we got everything installed. The only thing left is to attach this tailgate. It's got a long strip along the top and then a couple small ones there. So I think how I would rather do that is go ahead and line this top up, get that on straight, put that down, and then reach under and pull those off. So I'm going to go ahead, clean this area and clean the area. And actually, I'm looking, this one, this Velcro is super strong too, by the way. I'm going to put that where there's actually good spot for that to stick. On the edge there. Right there's good. Actually, there's a couple extras. I think we'll go ahead and use those here too. I'm gonna put another one right here and here. That should definitely, those are areas where it's definitely gonna have a surface to stick. So clean up those areas and some alcohol and get it all strapped down. Everything's buttoned up. I wanted to make sure tailgate closed no problem. The tonneau cover closed no problem. Let's go ahead and put the step down if I need to get in there. Put the tailgate down. Roll the tonneau cover up. Now, I have to say, when I originally was looking at these and ordering it, I thought, yeah, that'll be a good alternative to a spray-in bed liner. It'll be good enough. I actually think I prefer this than over a spray-in liner. It's very comfortable. It looks great. Everything fits great. And if it's as durable as it's supposed to be, I think I would choose this every time over a spray-in liner. So this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that, but I think this really surprises me how much I like this. I figured it would be decent. It would be all right. It would do the trick instead of having to do a spray-in liner, but yeah, I think I actually prefer this. So anyway, that's it for this. We got it all installed. Fairly easy. Just, I don't know, took a couple hours to do. That's including with putting the step on. So both of these, I really like the step. Makes life much easier. The bed rug looks awesome, and we'll see how it holds up with hauling stuff or putting anything in there. But I mean, as thick as it is, it should definitely protect the bed of the truck, if nothing else. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I will be back with some more videos with this truck and with that truck that's sitting over there. We'll got a few things put together for both of them, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.